Hi, I'm Susan, the VP of Marketing, Business Development and Customer Experience of SPTel. Thank you for joining us in our Homegrown with the Digital Age Leadership Sharing Series. I'm very glad to have Mr. Yedu from Juniper Networks. He's the Chief Architect and he's coming here today to share with us his knowledge as well as customer success stories in transforming the IT operation in education sectors and leveraging on technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence to enhance the learning experience. Thank you, Mr. Yedu, for joining us today.
Hey, thanks, Susan, for having me.
Before we begin, maybe you'd like to share a little bit about yourself?
I work as a chief architect for AI-driven enterprise networking in Juniper APAC. I have been in networking domain from the past 20 years, working in different functional domains as well as geographies. I worked in sales, engineering, and now in product management. And I've worked in India, Thailand, and now in Singapore.
Would you like to also give an introduction on your company as well?
Juniper Networks is a leader in AI networking, cloud, and connected security solutions. Founded in 1996, we operate in 50 plus countries and with annual revenue of $4.74 billion. The last 2 consecutive years, Juniper has been ranked as number 1 by Gartner in wired and wireless networking. And all this has been made possible because we are focusing on experience-first networking. See, we are trying to fundamentally transform the user experience when it comes to networking. In a traditional networking model, whenever users face any problem, they have to raise a trouble ticket and then IT team will get involved and then they have to isolate the problem, identify the root cause and then fix the problem. It's a very lengthy and complicated process. So this is where we are using AI extensively in order to completely simplify this whole thing. Whenever there is a drop in the user experience, like if a user faces disconnection or a low speed, our AI can detect this problem automatically and it can isolate the issue, root cause the issue, and it can inform the IT admins.
In your view, what are the key trends that are shaping the education sector? And also, how would technology play a part in enhancing the learning experience as well as the operation experience efficiency, especially after the pandemic?
When we talk about education sector, the primary challenges has always been how to retain the students and attract the new students, and secondly, how to control the operational expenses. So many students, they're comfortable with remote learning. They don't want to go back to campus. Some students do, and even some faculty want to work from home. How do you accommodate this hybrid learning model and offer the same classroom experience for all the students? This is where we are seeing technologies like BYOD and online collaboration tools. The second challenge, which is controlling the operational expenses. The moment you start deploying more and more technology tools, the technology stack becomes complex. And then operational expenses drastically increase, right? And this is where AI can help. AI can completely analyze your technology stack end to end, and it can tell you where is the problem and what actions need to be taken.
In your view, how do you think that network infrastructure together with artificial intelligence, AI, can play a part in the digital transformation journey in the educational sector?
Networking, I would say, is the foundation for any digital transformation solutions. Because networking is the layer which binds devices with all the applications, right? So if your network is strong, then it becomes easy to deploy any digital transformation solutions. Network stores a lot of intelligence about users. We will know who is connecting and how long they are connecting, from where they are connecting, what is their behavior. By effectively tapping into intelligence, we can create intelligent digital transformation solutions. For example, at University of Texas Arlington, IT team is using this intelligence in the network to enhance library experience for the students. If students or a faculty walk into the library, so the network detects the student or a faculty has entered here, and it can pull information from the library management system, and it can push notifications like these are the books which are pending to be returned. Another example is in one of the international school in Hong Kong, they're using network for lost and found solution. See, network stores the user, their location, right, from where they are connecting. So if any student, loses their phone or iPad, a network can tell you the last found location from where from where device was connected. MIT, for example, network is being used for congestion management because there was a restriction on number of users and number of students who can congregate. MIT used intelligence from the network to identify which are the crowded areas.
So what makes for a successful digital transformation strategy in education?
Digital transformation is all about how you tap this intelligence from different systems and how you stitch them together to improve user experience or to transform manual process to digital process. How do you simplify this? Number one, always go for systems which have extensive API support. For example, Juniper platform, we are 100% API supported. So anything and everything can be extracted very easily. Secondly, go for cloud-based solution. With cloud-based, schools or universities can offload all the operational complexities to either vendor. So this is where partners like SPTel becomes very important. I know SPTel has end-to-end managed services offering with end-to-end software-defined technology stacks. With managed services partners like SPTel, customers can offload all the complexity, right? So they can just focus on their core business, right? And simplify the complete lifecycle management of their technology, whether it is deployment, whether it is day-to-day operations or troubleshooting. Juniper and SPTel, so we are one-stop shop. And we have had some success stories together recently in one of the healthcare chain. So we brought up 70 branches in fastest possible time with least number of mistakes and the lowest operational expenses, right? So this is possible because of our platform and expertise of SPTel and also the end-to-end software-defined offerings.
May I know how short is the shortest time you mentioned to lift up one branch?
It was less than 30 minutes.
Wow. Because
we don't have to sit in the branch and configure each and every box, right? So everything was cloud managed, everything was software defined. So you pre-configure everything, you just ship the boxes to the branch, connect to the cloud, pick up the configurations, and they are ready to service the end users.
So any words of wisdom to impart, to those in education sector where they maybe are still thinking how to digitalize the entire IT operation?
Choose the right platform, choose the right partner. So always keep this in mind. Choose the right platform which is open, which is cloud-based, which is modern, AI-driven, microservices architecture-based, and choose the right partner who can offer managed services, who can offer software-defined technology stacks, right, and who can offer digital solutions, who can help in integrating the intelligence from multiple systems to deliver digital solutions.
Thank you so much for sharing with us all this insightful information, and very, very glad for you to join us today.
It was my pleasure, Susan. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.